Located on the eastern side of Russian River Valley in a warm section, Lagomarsino Vineyards takes advantage of that by making great textured wines. It's been part of the St. Francis family since the mid-90s. It's a beautiful rolling property, starts on the valley floor, heads up the hillside, and peaks out about 700-foot elevation. Lagomarsino Vineyard is spectacular. It's fun. Starting at the bottom, looking up onto the hillside, you can't even see the entire vineyard from one spot. It's really a vineyard within a vineyard within a vineyard. We have Chardonnay down on the valley floor. This is next to the river, heavy fog, cooler climate, really to retain that nice bright acidity that we find in our Chardonnay and those fruit characters that we like to see as well. Heading up the hill, more on the bench land, is Sauvignon Blanc that we planted to capture the temperature, the weather, the climate that Sauvignon Blanc loves so much. And then as we ascend up the hillside, we have Cabernet Sauvignon. I like to say that Cabernet Sauvignon from Lagomarsino is the heart and soul of our Sonoma County Cab program. The reason why it's such an amazing property for Cabernet is that its rolling hills produce different soil profiles where we go from red clay to more loamy looking clay soils. As the elevation increases, this leads to soils that allow themselves to drain really well. The vines are therefore put under natural stress, creating really intense flavors, colors, tannins. All the way to the top of the hill, these soils become much more rocky and cobbly, increasing the drainage, adding that important stress factor that we're looking for so that these vines can produce your classic hillside Cabernet, small berries on small clusters, intensifying the color, the tannins. And the great thing about this site is that while it's warm, it's still cool enough to retain a lot of great acidity. As I'm picking Cabernet Sauvignon throughout Sonoma County, the great thing about Lagomarsino is that it gets great hang time. It's one of the last vineyards that we bring in, and all this time out there gives us increased flavors, increased textural components, everything that one would look for in crafting a signature Cabernet Sauvignon.